There are many tools and platforms that can help you to build and maintain your professional network. Here are a few to consider. As mentioned earlier, LinkedIn is an essential platform for professional networking. Use it to connect with potential clients, join industry groups, and share your expertise. Meetup.com is a great platform for finding local networking events, workshops, and industry meetups. It's an excellent way to meet professionals in your area who share the same interests. 9am.works offers an AI-based profile optimization tool, a platform for connecting with potential clients, and a community to meet other freelancers. It's designed to help you expand your network and find new opportunities tailored to your skills. Also, there are numerous other industry-specific Slack communities where professionals gather to share insights, discuss trends, and to network. You can usually find them by Googling or asking other freelancers, and joining a few of these communities can help you stay connected with others in your field.